Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about computed variables. So a computed variable is a variable that defines its value during runtime. If you remember from the previous lesson, regular variables have their values defined or initialized before runtime or when they are reassigned. With computed variables, their values are defined computationally during runtime. So let me demonstrate. So right now we have two variables here. One variable is a number that can take in an integer and it's set to 0. The next variable is a computed variable, and as you can see, its syntax is different. Instead of an equals, we have two curly brackets. And inside the curly brackets, we have a number, this variable, converted into a string using string interpolation. This syntax converts the number from an integer data type to a string data type. And then we concatenate this with another string so that it forms a new string that's the number space cats. So if we print the value of magic open box and play it, right now it will say that there's 0 cats. But if we change just the number, so let's say the number will now be 8. Then we print magic open box again. You will see that now there's 8 cats. The reason being is that during runtime, the variable magic open box was recalculated to account for the new number. So that's what it means to have a computed variable. So a computed variable will recalculate its value depending on the parameters that we set inside of the curly brackets. That's a computed variable. So if we do another change, for example, and we change the number to 100 cats, if we print magic open box once again, you will see that there's now 100 cats. And we can change the value of magic open box without ever assigning anything to it, except for changing the number that is included in its computation. That's the difference between a regular variable and a computed variable.